Omampenyin Mahama 2017 May. Or yet Twitter be or tweeted there and wana aban ayanadwin there obey you easy because of transition period employment, you know. Those people are citizens of Ghana and that it amount to discrimination. And sabi saben loose nutuma na saben foforeba on in chede and zama waye nyina no wombongo. And to be honest with you, true to it, those people who were recruited in December 2016 were never sacked. I challenge any NDC ni biara the American on the unfair evidence in bra. I know of recruitment in Yoko, FIC, GRA, EPA, many institutions. In fact, for some of these institutions, interviews were conducted in the evenings. I don't want to use the word night, after NDC had lost elections. Recruitment into immigration, fire service, police, and all that were done after the NDC had lost power. Now, let me tell you, go and check 2017 March. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo graduated, the guest of honor for the graduating parade, Ewo Fosu, for immigration. For all others that were in training, MPP and touching Nipo Krumpo, never. Go and check the records. It is a yenu anum warrior nehu, oya sefim oya roho, and say yentumi yanka, omanu onkoye.